Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a gift via PayPal. Now, as you can see, I'm actually logged into our PayPal account. All you need to do is actually come here to paypal.com/US/gifts. Okay, and here you'll see all the possible gift cards, different brands of anything you can think of. You can click here on see all, and everything is here in alphabetical order. Okay, and just identify what you want to gift. Of course, you can search it up as well. So let's say I want to go ahead and gift a Roblox gift card. So you just click on that, and then what you do is you scroll down, and then here you can go ahead and choose an amount from these, or you can click here on others, and you can specify a custom amount as well, and then hit apply. You can either come here to do this is a gift, just enter their email, your name, you can add a personal message, and when you want to send it. Okay, then you click here on add to cart, and of course you can gift it to yourself as well by just gifting it by adding it to your cart, and they'll send you the gift card to your PayPal email address, right? And that is how to go about this. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.